Welcome to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature famous Belgian waffles franchise business ideas. Famous Belgian Waffles was established on September 16, 2012. Without skipping a beat, after 11 productive years, Famous Belgian Waffles now has more than 600 branches, including one in San Diego, California, and Malaysia. It has grown from kiosk to semi-coffee shop concept. The brand is well loved by many simply because of its affordability and outstanding quality. Famous Belgian Waffles' goal is to design a lucrative business for people who wants to grow their savings in a short period of time. Awards received. Famous Belgian Waffles has been on top of people's mind in the franchising industry. It has received the most promising franchise by the Department of Trade and Industry and Philippine Franchise Association in 2015, and they also bagged the Outstanding Filipino Franchise given by the same institution in 2017. Famous Belgian Waffles products. Famous Waffle Sandwich is a proudly Filipino-owned business starting all the way back in September 2012. The following are their products. Simply Perfect Waffles. They offer plain, chocolate, cheese spread, peanut butter, caramel, strawberry, blueberry, custard, and more. For the Brownies Fudge collections, they offer plain brownies, brownie fudge, brownie custard, brownie fudge banana, brownie cream cheese, brownie fudge mallows, brownie fudge cream cheese, and more. For the perfect combination waffles, they offer French butter maple, French butter caramel, banana chocolate, banana caramel, banana peanut butter, choco peanut butter, chocolate custard, cookies and cream, and more. For the savory selection, they offer tuna garlic ranch, scrambled egg, ham or chicken ham, Hawaiian ham or chicken ham, corned beef plus cheese bread, corned beef plus cheese spread. Take-home packed waffles. They offer plain waffles, brownie waffles, and combination waffles. For the famous blends, they offer coffee, chocolate, iced tea, and white coffee pack. Why franchise Famous Belgian Waffles? Number 1. Great brand, great products. One of the most successful waffle brand in the country today and the top brand that offers original and flavored Belgian waffles. Number 2. Strong R&D. Headquarters continually innovates to provide strong variety of product offerings. Number 3. Easy to operate and fast ROI. Very easy to operate as it is still a retail business. Because of high acceptability, ROI can be as fast as 7 months. Number 4. Full blast franchisor support. Benefit from the franchisor's strong franchise experience managing more than 600 stores nationwide. For the franchise packages, the following are the store type and estimated package cost. For the standard food cart, the package cost starts at 730,000 pesos. For the kiosk package, the cost starts at 830,000 pesos. While for the counter with seating package, the package cost starts at 910,000 pesos, all excluded of tax. There is a security deposit worth 50,000 pesos which is refundable only upon expiration of the contract. The terms of franchise is 3 years and subject to renewal. For the royalty fee, there's a 10% of net purchase after VAT. For the marketing fee, there is a 3% of net sales only if applicable. For the ideal locations, you can have your franchise business in malls, business districts, building cafeterias, school cafeterias, hospital cafeterias, airport, transport terminals, and commercial areas. For the area size requirement, for cart with maximum space requirement of 3 to 6 square meters. For kiosk with maximum space requirement of 6 to 8 square meters. While for counter with minimum space requirement of 8 square meter and up. For the franchise package inclusions, number 1, use of famous Belgian waffles trademark. Get the privilege of using their registered trademark within the duration of your contract. Number 2, use of business operating system. Operate your outlet smoothly with their business operating system, inclusive of food preparation, business reporting, and management. Number 3, store setup. Incur no additional delivery cost for the famous Belgian waffles, proprietary cart, cooking equipment, and other small wares if you are within Metro Manila. Number 4, pre-operating training and orientation. The initial training and orientation of your crew will be covered by famous Belgian waffles. Number 5, opening assistance. Get marketing support and in-store assistance from famous Belgian waffles within 3 days after your store opening. And lastly, number 6, continuous franchising support. Expect continuous nationwide marketing initiatives that may include brand awareness activities, new product development, and advertisements. For other pre-operating investment and expenditures, number 1, store location security deposit and advance payment. Number 2, cost of business registration to various agencies such as DTI, City Hall or Municipal Hall, and BIR. Number 3, training allowance, hotel accommodation, and transportation of the franchisee's personnel. Number 4, hotel accommodation and transportation of franchisor's training officer. Number 5, site improvement or renovation, if applicable. Number 6, additional orders and other items to buy if there are no product restrictions. Number 7, delivery fees for outside Metro Manila locations. And number 8, 3 months working capital. For the franchise application procedure, number 1, submit the following to the new business head via email. Franchise application form with 2x2 picture. Letter of intent, indicate the exact address and brief background of the space where you want to set up your business. Sketch map, include landmark of the proposed location. Number 2, interview with franchise applicant. Number 3, payment of processing fee of 20,000 pesos for Metro Manila area or 30,000 pesos for provincial location to start the application process. The processing fee is non-refundable but deductible from the franchise investment. Number 4, applicant will receive a feedback after 2 weeks or less from the submission of the above-mentioned requirements. Number 5, if approved, the applicant will be required to secure the lease of the proposed location and submit the design guidelines and floor plan wherein the exact space location will be subject for approval of the franchisor. Number 6, establishment of the initial, perspective, and additional cost, if any. Number 7, review and signing of the agreement. Number 8, payment of 70% of the total franchise package and franchise security deposit. Number 9, cart, kiosk, counter perspective fabrication, store construction, and training will commence. Number 10, full payment of the total franchise package and other balances before the delivery of the cart, kiosk or counter, kitchen equipment, and other peripherals. And lastly, number 11, opening of franchise outlet. For the contact details, you may contact Famous Belgian Waffles with the address 316 Park Place, Center Building, Marcos Highway, Corner, Vermont Park, Barangay Mayamot, Antipolo City. You can call them on their mobile number 0917-559-4318. You can also call their landline number 8425-2591. You can also send an email at famousbelgianwaffles@gmail.com. You can also visit their website at www.famousbelgianwaffles.com. You can also visit their Facebook page at Famous Belgian Waffles Official. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Famous Belgian Waffles franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.